guys, it's Kate back with AV Design Co. And today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful natural looking hair in Procreate. So the first thing you want to do is lay down your color palette. So you want to do gradient colors. You want to start with the lightest color in the middle and work your way out to the darkest color. This is going to give your portrait more pop. It's going to give it more of a realistic feel and look more like real hair. Once you have all your colors laid down where you want to go into your smudge brush to touch-ups and press the short hair brush and use that. With that brush, you want to start from the bottom dark color and do one long continuous strokes up to the top color. After you smudge from the bottom up, you want to do the same process from the top down, so your top dark color, one continuous stroke down to your bottom color. This is something that you can keep playing with. You can make the hair with more lowlights, you can make the hair with more highlights. You can really customize the hair how you want, and it looks a lot more realistic than just laying one or two colors down and blending them out. If you have any questions about this tutorial, just leave your comments down below. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know. Please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And here's the end result. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.